Hola, come on stuff. Today let's make the T-50 Russian prototype 5th generation jet fighter. So this paper airplane is designed based on the Spirit Dragon. So if you have done the Spirit Dragon, you know this plane is pretty easy to fold. To make the T-50 you need printing paper. I am using letter size again. So if you want to use A4 paper, you can try it out. First step, I will fold the paper sideways. Fold it in half first and unfold the paper. I turn it over and fold it in half again. I want to make a very good crease, so that's one way you can make the crease better. Now unfold the paper. Next, I start from this side. I fold it to this edge. Then I'll repeat the same step for this side. Unfold the paper and I will turn it over. Now I will start from this corner. I'll fold straight to this corner. I mean the intersection of this crease and this edge. If you see the center crease line up, you fold correctly. And now I unfold the paper, and as you can see here, I will turn it over and I will fold this crease to the center crease. And this is very simple now. Next, I turn the paper this way again and I fold this layer to my left side. Now I start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And next, I will turn the paper this way and I will estimate about 2 inches from the tip here along this edge. So okay, 2 inches about this size. So I will make a side here, then just fold it out. And when I fold out, I will leave a gap about a quarter of an inch from this corner along this edge. Now I fold this layer back. Same thing here, fold this layer back. And I fold the paper in half. After you fold the paper in half, I will start from this edge, fold it to the edge on the bottom here. And when you fold down, you can see that we have an edge here already. You can use this as your reference to fold. After you done that step, you can see this crease. I mean the edge here. I'll fold this layer up to match with that edge. It's a bit confusing, but this is the way you can make the wings even and it will fly well. So that is very good for now. I unfold the paper and I turn it over and I can fold this layer back to this side. You can see what I have for now. And next step, I will start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Right. and I repeat the same step for this side. Yeah, try to push it down hard. Something here. And I will hold the paper up, and you can see the pocket right here. I will insert this layer into the pocket to hold the plan together. Okay, I will push as much as I can. And same thing for this side. Push as much as I can. Okay. It looks very good. Now I will turn the paper over again, and same thing, I will estimate about 2 inches from the tip here along this crease. So 2 inches, about this size. And I just push this crease down. You can see how I do it. If you hold your index finger right here, you can force easily. Okay. What I will estimate is about 2/3 of an inch from this corner along this edge, and I repeat the same thing for the other side. And this is what you should have for now. I put the paper down, and you can see that we have like 1 layer up here. So I will fold or match this edge to this edge up here. And I repeat the same step for the other side. I will turn the paper over. Okay, and open the wings. This is what you should have for now. And you see the stabilizer. I just fold it up. Fold it straight up too. Same thing for this side. Unfold the stabilizer. You have a shape like this. Okay, now next step, you just curve this part up. Same thing here. You should have, I should create an elevator right here as well, foot up. And this plan is pretty heavy on the head here, so we need to create one more stabilizers or elevators on the bottom. You can see this part. I just foot like this, a straight line, something like this. You can see it here. And forward to the other side. Then I just turn the paper over and push this up. See, I push this very slowly. Okay, there you go. So this is the T-50. A plan I designed long time ago, but have not make it. So today I will share with you guys how you will like it. And turn the paper over here. You can see there's a handle here. Hold it right here, then draw it up at 45 degrees first. Do not draw it too hard. Test this out and see how it's flying. It will fly very well for you. Like the video, share with your friend, and subscribe my channel. Finally, thank you for watching, and ciao. See you next time.